Unique, spectacular, perfect. From the mountains to the sea, amidst history and nature, the 7 wonders of golf are in Friuli Venezia Giulia. Lying within the warm embrace of the Julian Alps, the 18-hole course of the Senza Confini Golf Club is plunged in the very heart of the ancient Tarvisio forest. The superb accommodation and renowned Ilia restaurant are the jewels in its crown. The 45-year-old eco-friendly Udine Golf Club in Fagagna is the region's only GEO-certified course, with a professional golf machine simulator and 18 holes set in gently rolling hills. The 4-star Villa Verde Hotel and Resort includes a spa with both an indoor and an outdoor swimming pool. Just 50 kilometers away, the scenery changes. Villa Policreti and its park surround the 18-hole course of Lignano Golf Club. Natural and man-made hazards make this a golfer's challenge. The historic country residence is also a 4-star hotel with a bar overlooking the plain of Pordenone. To the east lies Gorizia Golf Club in the Collio, cocooned by the Italian garden of the castle of Spessa. The mild climate of the surrounding vineyards means the 18-hole course can be used even in the depths of winter. Players are pampered with gourmet dishes from the Osteria Antevernetta and prestigious wines from the historic cellars of the Castle of Spessa wine resort, as they relax in the luxurious castle accommodation or country apartments. Nearer the coast is Trieste Golf Club in Padriciano, on the Karst plateau. Created from the course constructed by the Allies following the end of the Second World War, the golf club opened in 1955. Its terraced restaurant gives a breathtaking view of the Gulf of Trieste. Near the sea, Lignano Golf Club is immersed in a pine forest, and its large, well-manicured course alternates tiny lakes with holes of natural sand, with unusual practice facilities on both natural and synthetic grass. The golf course surrounds the Hotel Golf Inn, with its beauty farm and gym. The sophisticated seasonal dishes served at the Al Bancut restaurant will take you back to the rhythm of nature. Water abounds at Grado Golf Club. Numerous tiny lakes linking the greens and a boundary formed by the canals of the lagoon are a challenge for every golfer. Well drained and with a mild climate, this course is open all year round. Stay at the Tenuta Primero Holiday and Sports Club or in one of the Marina Primero apartments, where the Al Casone restaurant has dishes to satisfy even the most demanding palate. As the sun sets, the charm expands to give an exclusive, surreal atmosphere. This is dedicated to those who live life to the full, believe golf is not only a sport but also a game, and can see beyond the green to where a round combines with a unique moment in life and where the course itself becomes the perfect theatre to experience unforgettable days. Golf in Friuli Venezia Giulia. Golf for everyone. Golf all year round.